Welcome back to my channel, Doctor's Storyboard, and I am your own doctor, Dr. Saroj Sahi, and I am presenting DHA GP Notes, the extracted version of Master the Board, and I hope you are liking it. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you will get benefited for the preparation of DHA GP exam. So let's begin our notes continuously as earlier. Continue with the lesson 12, Rheumatology. Osteoarthritis, erosive damage to joint surface, loss of articular cartilage, minimal pain or absent inflammation. Etiology, increasing age and trauma, knee, hip and ankle are affected, distal interphalangeal joint most commonly affected. Crepitation, distal interphalangeal enlargement, Haberden nodes, proximal interphalangeal enlargement, Bouchard's nodes. So DIP for Haberden nodes, just remember DIP, Dubai Investment Park, and PIP, PIP enlargement, Bouchard's node. There is no PIP in Dubai, please remember. Diagnostic test, ESR, ANA, rheumatoid factor, anti-nuclear antibody. X-ray, joint space narrowing, osteophytes, dense subchondral bone, bone cyst. Treatment is weight loss, moderate exercise, acetaminophen, NSAIDs, capsaicin cream, intra-articular steroids, joint replacement if function decreases, duloxetine effectively treats knee pain. Gout, 90% of case in men causes increased turnover of cells, enzyme deficiency, ethanol, overproduction. Three things are in overproduction. Renal insufficiency, ketoacidosis, thiazides and aspirin also causes gout. Look for sudden excruciating pain, redness and tenderness of big toe, worse after drinking beer. Metatarsophalangeal joint is most commonly affected joint. Tissue deposit with urate crystals, that is known as TOFI, seen in chronic gout. Uric acid kidney stones occurs in 5 to 10% of patients. Diagnostic test, aspiration of the joints showing needle-shaped crystals with negative birefringence. WBC on joint fluid 2000 to 50,000 per microliter, that is neutrophilic. Acute attack is associated with increased ESR and leukocytosis. Treatment of acute attack, NSAID, but contraindicated in renal disease. Corticosteroids, triamcinolone. Colchicine is used if NSAID plus corticosteroids can't be used. Side effect of colchicine, diarrhea and bone marrow suppression. Management of chronic gout, diet, decrease alcohol, lose weight, stop thiazides, low dose colchicine, allopurinol, decrease production of uric acid. Febuxostat is used if allopurinol is contraindicated. Xanthine oxidase inhibitor, pegloticase, dissolve uric acid. Probenecid and sulfenpyrazole increases excretion of uric acid. Side effect of allopurinol, toxic, epidermal necrolysis or Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Pseudogout, deposition of calcium pyrophosphate in articular cartilage. Risk factor, hemochromatosis, hyperparathyroidism, most common, also associated with diabetes mellitus, hypothyroidism and Wilson's disease. Losartan is best drug for BP in gout. CPPD affects large joint, knee and wrist. Diagnostic test, uric acid normal. X-ray shows calcification or chondrocalcinosis of the cartilaginous surface of the joint and DJD. Accurate most is arthrosynthesis, which shows rhomboid shaped crystals. Synovial fluid, increased WBC, that is 2000 to 50,000 per microliter. Treatment of pseudogout, NSAID, intra-articular steroids and colchicine. Spinal cord compression, Malignancy also compress spinal cord. Compression at 4th thoracic level would result in loss of sensation below nipples. Compression of 10th thoracic vertebra leads to sensory loss below umbilicus. Point tenderness. Epidural abscess due to Staphylococcus is most common. Disc herniation. L4 to L5-1, L5 to S1, SLR test. Pain radiating buttock and below the knee when the leg is raised above 60 degree. Cord compression, epidural abscess, ankylosing spondylitis all requires imaging, MRI if contraindicated, CT. MRI is indicated when there is paralysis weakness. Treatment of disc herniation NSAIDs with continuation of ordinary activities. Initial treatment of cord compression, dexamethasone, decreased pressure of cord. Classification of low back pain. Diagnosis goes right. Cord compression, epidural abscess, cauda equina syndrome, ankylosing spondylitis, disc herniation. In cord compression, there is history of cancer. In epidural abscess, there is fever and increased ESR. In cauda equina, the history is bowel and bladder incontinence and erectile dysfunction. In ankylosing spondylitis, under age 40, pain worsens with rest and improves with activity. Disc herniation, pain and numbness in medial calf. Physical finding. In cord compression, vertebral tenderness, sensory level hyperreflexia. In epidural abscess, same as cord compression. In cauda equina syndrome, bilateral leg weakness, saddle area anesthesia. In ankylosing spondylitis, decreased chest mobility. In disc herniation, loss of knee and ankle reflexes. And treatment for cord compression is glucocorticoids, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, surgical decompression. And in epidural abscess, antibiotics like vancomycin, linezolide, oxacillin, napsilin. And in cauda equina syndrome, surgical decompression. Cord compression against ligamentum flavum is seen in lumbar spinal stenosis. Lumbar spinal stenosis present with pain worse when walking downhill and better when sitting. Spinal stenosis can stimulate peripheral artery disease. Diagnostic test is MRI, weight loss and NSAID aspirin are first. Steroid injection are also treatment. Physical therapy and surgical correction in 75% of patients. Best initial therapy in fibromyalgia is SSRI, GABA receptor, pregabalin, trigger point injection with local anesthesia also used sometimes. Carpal tunnel syndrome, peripheral neuropathy from the compression of median nerve. Etiologies, pregnancy, diabetes mellitus, rheumatic arthritis, acromegaly, amyloidosis, hypothyroidism. Presentation of carpal tunnel syndrome, pain in thumb, index finger, radial half of ring finger, muscles atrophy of thenar eminence. Pain is worse at night. Tenel sign seen in carpal tunnel syndrome. Phalan sign, flexion of the wrist to 90 degrees seen in carpal tunnel syndrome. Most accurate test, electromyography, nerve conduction test. Initial therapy is wrist splint. Steroid injection if NSAID and splint do not work. Surgery, decompression of tunnel. Dupuytren contracture. Hyperplasia of the palmar fascia, contracture of 4th and 5th finger associated with alcoholism and cirrhosis. Treatment is triamcinolone, lidocaine or collagenase injection may help. Rotatory cuff injury, pain in shoulder, severe tenderness at insertion of supraspinatus. MRI is most accurate test and treatment is NSAID, rest and physical therapy. Patellofemoral syndrome, knee pain secondary to trauma, meniscal tear. If it improves after walking, X-ray, normal. Plantar fasciitis, severe pain in the bottom of the foot near the calcaneus. Pain is worse in the morning and improves after walking. Rheumatoid arthritis associated with HLA. More common in women. Morning stiffness of multiple small inflamed joints is key to diagnosis. Presentation, bilateral symmetrical joint involvement, PIP joint of the finger, MCP joint of the hand, involvement of wrist, knees and ankles. Morning stiffness for 30 minutes, rheumatoid nodules, episcleritis, ocular symptoms, pleural effusion and nodules of lung parenchyma, vasculitis, cervical joint involvement C1 and C2, Baker cyst may rupture and mimic DVT, pericarditis and pleural effusion, carpal tunnel syndrome. Tarsal tunnel syndrome increased in rheumatic arthritis. Diagnostic test: rheumatic fever 70 to 80%, anti-CCP. Radiograph shows erosion of joint and osteopenia, elevated ESR and CRP, anemia normocytic, arthrocentesis if crystal disease. Points for rheumatoid arthritis: joint involvement up to 5, ESR or CRP, duration for longer than 6 weeks, rheumatic fever or anti-CCP, Felty syndrome, rheumatic arthritis, splenomegaly and neutropenia. This is the triad. For Kaplan syndrome, rheumatic arthritis, pneumoconiosis and long nodules. Most common cause of death in rheumatic arthritis is coronary artery disease. Methotrexate is used for long term in rheumatic arthritis to decrease disease progression. Side effect of methotrexate: liver toxicity, bone marrow suppression, pulmonary toxicity. Not responding to methotrexate, use TNF inhibitors. Etanercept, safe in pregnancy. Toxicity of TNF drugs: reaction of TB, infection. Other agents: hydrochloroquine, retinal toxicity, side effect. Sulfasalazine, side effect: bone marrow toxicity, hemolysis with G6PD and rash. TNF antibodies such as adalimumab are contraindicated in CHF. NSAIDs are effective in rheumatic arthritis but doesn't decrease progression of disease. Gold salt can be used in rheumatic arthritis but side effect is nephrotic syndrome. Juvenile rheumatoid arthritis: high fever 40 degrees Celsius in younger person, rash salmon colored, lymphadenopathy, leukocytosis, splenomegaly ill looking. There you can see the mnemonics also: STILLS. Anemia, hypoalbuminemia and leukocytosis are common. Ferritin level is markedly elevated. Hard case: improve with aspirin or NSAIDs. Systemic lupus erythematosus, that is SLE, affects kidney, brain, skin, joint. Alopecia is common. Skin: malar rash, discoid rash and photosensitivity, oral ulcer. Joint: arthritis, lungs: pleuritis, renal: glomerulonephritis. Neurologic: psychosis and seizures. Blood: hemolytic anemia, part of diagnosis. Diagnostic test: anti-dsDNA positive, anti-SM positive, false positive test for syphilis and positive LE cell preparation. Raynaud's phenomenon are seen in SLE. Asymptomatic ANA decreased in complement level. Acute lupus flare is treated with high dose bolus of steroids. Severity of lupus nephritis can be diagnosed with kidney biopsy. Kidney biopsy detects glomerulosclerosis. Antiphospholipid syndrome is associated with Ig4 and IgM antibodies. Elevation of APTT with normal PT and INR. Russell Viper venom test is done in antiphospholipid syndrome. DVT or PE is initially treated with heparin followed by warfarin. Warfarin is contraindicated in pregnancy secondary to teratogenicity. This is an end to today's lecture. The DHA GP notes, extracted version of Master the Board. I hope you liked it very much, and please wait for few more lectures which are yet to come, and I will be presenting you those lectures in few days. Thank you so much.